Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be cooking bok choy bhaji. I have some nice bok choy here. Check it out. Look, it's so nice. We already washed it. My husband chipped it up. Nice and fine. Looking good. So fresh. And here we have some Guyanese shrimp already washed. Let's get started. Add in the shrimp. Dry down the rainwater here. Check out the shrimp, the water drying down here. This is how I like it. Check out the shrimp here, all the water dried down. So now I'll add my oil. Some oil, 6 teaspoons. Fry this until it's crispy. Nice Guyana shrimp, fine shrimp. Chip out the shrimp here, it's fried nicely. Add in garlic, 5 cloves of garlic. Add in the onion and 1 pepper, real pepper. Add in the shallot. Check it out. Check it out here. Shrimp and bok choy bhaji and roti. Add in the bhaji. We put some of the stem. My husband likes the stems, the white stems.
Very healthy.
Yeah, it's healthy for you. He wants it with a white stem. Lots of bhaji here. Check it out. Now I'll add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and cover this. Let the water dry down. Checking the bhaji here now. Looks good. Smells so good too. So I'll cover this back and let it steam some more. Add in a teaspoon of sugar for the bitterness of the bok choy. Add 1/2 cup of coconut milk. I love coconut milk in here, give it a good flavor. So leave this open and let the water dry down now. Let it cook like that. Looks good. Smells so good too, the bok choy. I added some tomatoes. And some roti here while the bhaji is cooking. Our roti. Check it out here, looking nice. Check out the roti. Looks good. Making another roti here. Anyways, guys, check out the bok choy, looking so nice. Check out the color. Looks so nice. Looking so good. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how it turns out. Tastes good too. I taste a little bit. Tastes very good. We can eat this for such a long time. So my husband feel like eating this, so I decided to cook it. And there it is. Bok choy and roti with shrimp. Thanks again. Bye bye. Check it out, guys. Check out the roti here. And I added a boiled egg for my husband. And that's the spinach here. The bok choy. Looking good. Looking so good. It's still on the stove, so I need to dry it up a little more. But we're in a rush to eat, so to go to work, so we will eat some now and let it dry down some more. Some nice matcha tea here. Matcha latte actually to go with this. That's the one I got here. Gluten-free matcha latte, really good.